C language provides multiple data types. One of the basic types is called char. Char provides us with 8 bits of data. Okay, and the next one is the unsigned char. This also provides 8-bit data for us. The difference between these two, char and unsigned char, is you can only store positive values in this unsigned char. That means from 0 to 255. Basically there are 256 values. Oh. And why 256? We have 8 bits, right? So 2 power 8 is 256. Yeah, and for here this stores both positive and negative values. That means half of this one, right? The range is half of this one. So the range of values that you could store in this is minus 128 to 127. So we have two values, data types of 8 bits each. One lets us to store values in the range 127 all the way to negative 128, and then we have this positive char, which is 8-bit again, but this lets us store only positive values. So that is from 0 to 255, the range, and we have the number of values is 256. And then we have the short, which is 2 bytes, which is just the double than this, right? And then we also have the unsigned short. This again 2 bytes. Again, here again this stores only positive values. Okay. The next one is the integer, and again unsigned. Okay. This is 4 bytes, just double than short, right? 4 bytes. And the unsigned integer int is again just the same as int, except this stores only positive values. Okay. So how do we use them in our C language? So it's very simple. We write our main function, right? Braces. So we say char ch, let's say we store a character, uppercase character here. That's a valid value we can store, right? Maybe another one, I can say C equal to maybe 120. That's one. So unsigned char, say UC equal to 50, because it's a positive, it can store from 0 to 255, right? So that's valid, that's valid, that's valid. And maybe integer, I can store 5000 maybe, right? So these are valid data types. Unsigned int, right? Maybe j. some high number. It can be negative too, so because it can store negative, right? So we have all those data types, and in the class we will go ahead and talk about long, right, double, float. So as we go in our class, in our course, we will discuss all different data types as we go, and how to handle them. Okay, thank you.